Ellie loved her grandfather's clock shop. It was filled with clocks of all shapes and sizes, each ticking in harmony.
Ellie, this clock holds a secret. It's been waiting for someone like you.
Me? What's so special about it?
Ellie noticed an unusual clock glowing faintly on the shelf. Its ticking was louder than the others.
Why does this clock feel alive?
Adjust the hands, Ellie, and see for yourself.
Ellie carefully adjusted the clock. Suddenly, colors swirled, and the room seemed to twist. When the world stopped spinning, she found herself in a completely different place.
This isn't the shop. Where am I?
In a quaint village where time seemed to move slowly.
Be careful, stranger. Time is fragile here.
Fragile? What do you mean?
At a bustling market, Ellie met a vendor with a glowing relic.
This relic will guide you, but you must trust yourself.
Why does it glow like this?
It's more than just a relic. It's a key to fixing time itself.
Ellie met a radiant figure who seemed to control the flow of time.
Ellie, time is unraveling. You must mend the fractures.
Mend? How can I do that?
Follow the relic. It will guide you.
The relic glowed brighter as Ellie followed it to a hidden cavern. Inside, she found an ancient pedestal holding another glowing relic.
This is where it all began. But why is it broken?
To mend time, you must reunite the relic.
Ellie stepped into a realm of floating clocks and swirling colors. At the center, a massive fracture pulsed with energy.
This must be the heart of time's chaos. But how do I fix it?
Ellie was chased by shadowy figures through neon-lit streets.
Give us the relic.
Never. It's not yours to control.
Ellie raised the relic high, and golden light poured out, sealing the fracture and restoring balance.
Time flows freely again.
A shadowy figure appeared from the void, its form flickering like a broken image. Ellie's heart raced as she faced her greatest challenge yet.
You've disrupted my plans. Time should obey me.
Time doesn't belong to anyone. It flows for everyone.
Foolish girl. You can't stop me.
Watch me.
Ellie found herself in a calm meadow, the wind gently brushing past her. She took a deep breath, feeling the peace of the moment.
You've done well, Ellie. Time flows freely again.
I couldn't have done it without the relic, or your guidance.
As the peaceful meadow began to fade, Ellie felt a pull. Time wasn't done with her yet. She knew she had to return.
It's time to go back.
Ellie stepped back into the bustling streets of the futuristic city. The once intimidating chaos now felt like endless possibilities.
This city is amazing. There's so much to explore. Ellie's journey through time was filled with mystery, adventure, and challenges that tested her courage. Along the way, she discovered new worlds, faced shadowy figures, and learned the importance of balance and trust. Let's dive into some of the key words from her story that can help us understand it better, and maybe even help us in our own adventures. Harmony means peaceful agreement, or when things work perfectly together. For example, the clocks ticked in harmony. Let's repeat that. The clocks ticked in harmony. Adjust means to change slightly to make something work better. For instance, I had to adjust the clock to make it work perfectly. What other things can you adjust in your life? Think about it. Twist means to turn or move in a spiral shape. For example, the colors swirled as the world seemed to twist around her. Let's say it together. The world seemed to twist around her. A relic is an object from the past with special meaning or power. For example, this relic is a key to fixing time itself. Let's say it together. This relic is a key to fixing time itself. Mend means to repair or fix something broken. For example, Ellie mended the fractures of time. Let's say it together. Ellie mended the fractures of time. Great job! Remember, words like harmony, adjust, and relic are more than just vocabulary. They help us tell stories and connect ideas. Let's move on to see how these words come alive in our adventure. Watch the scene, listen carefully, and repeat after me.
Ellie loved her grandfather's clock shop. It was filled with clocks of all shapes and sizes, each ticking in harmony.
Repeat after me. Ellie loved her grandfather's clock shop. It was filled with clocks of all shapes and sizes. Each ticking in harmony.
Ellie, this clock holds a secret. It's been waiting for someone like you.
Let's try Ellie's line. What's so special about it? Great, let's do it one more time. Let's repeat Ellie's line from this scene. Why does this clock feel alive? Now a little faster. Why does this clock feel alive? Complete the sentence. The answer is clock. Great job. Listen and repeat Ellie's line. This isn't the shop. Where am I? One more time. This isn't the shop. Where am I? What do you say when you're in a new place and you feel lost? Where am I? Let's say it again. Where am I? Repeat after me. This must be the heart of time's chaos. Let's try it a bit faster. This must be the heart of time's chaos. Ellie says, but how do I fix it? Can you say it too? But how do I fix it? Let's say Ellie's words together. I couldn't have done it without the relic or your guidance. Again, I couldn't have done it without the relic or your guidance. Great job! You practice speaking like Ellie and her friends. Remember, speaking is the key to learning. Let's keep improving together.